could say a more refined version of the quadrupolar magnet. Whew. So while I'm in this beautiful spot here, I want to chat a little bit about some really fun exploration with the constellations. And I've been using the constellations almost like, could say a more refined version of the quadrupolar magnet. So I'm gonna call it the DodecaPolar magnet. Why not? I think that's 12, basing that off the dodecahedron and the 12 sides of that, the 12 hexagonal, not hexagonal, pentagonal shapes. This can act almost like as you tap each one and as you harmonize and balance with them, these constellations can act like a stabilization mechanism for the Akashic body, the Akashic self, the etheric self. And this is a lot of fun to play with as you work on stabilizing different densities of ourselves, different substrates and densities of ourselves, through working the harmonization of the elements at, again, different substrates and refined natures of substance that are being worked with. So obviously, the first one you work with is harmonizing the astral soul, so to speak, and working that through a basic quadrupolar magnet type function: fire, air, water, and earth. And then I found that from there, it's quite an easy step to a hexapolar type magnet, quadrupole to the hexapole. And now from here, another jump to the dodecapole. And so what is being harmonized, what is being stabilized? And I'm finding that the exploration of the constellations and working on them in a particular type of manner acts as, it builds a foundation, it acts as a foundation, as a support system for, once again, the Akashic and etheric selves. So anyway, just some fun food for thought. If you're engaged in these types of practices, you might enjoy exploring that. All right, thanks for your time. Bye.